Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to withdraw money to any bank account from Perfect Money. So first thing that you will do guys is of course go to perfectmoney.com and just simply sign in into your account. And from here guys, in order for you to withdraw, just simply go ahead and go over to my account over here at the top right. And now from here, just simply go ahead and click on withdraw over here at the middle. And from here, you should have multiple options to choose from. So from here, you will have options to withdraw. So let's say I'm going to go for a Bitcoin over here. So click on this. And now from here, just simply click on create new withdrawal. And then now it will redirect you over here. So if you do not have a B account yet, you can just simply click on over here. And as you can see, you should be able to see here the withdrawal type and the fee that they have. And from here, just simply select account and enter the destination Bitcoin address and the desired amount. And from there, just simply click on preview. And after that, just simply provide the necessary information needed in order for you to proceed with this process. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.